Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the two exact sources you'll combine, camera plus screen or two cameras. Sync matters. Once chosen, import both files into one project and set the frame rate and aspect ratio to match. Make two labeled tracks, left and right, and enable snapping and timecode so clips lock precisely. Then, trim leading silence and remove dead space. This reduces drift. If audio sources differ, pick a reference track to align everything. That choice simplifies later syncing and keeps edits consistent. You now align audio waveforms or match timecode. Zoom in for frame accuracy and nudge clips until peaks coincide. Once synced, crop and scale each source so they occupy left and right halves, maintain equal margins, and confirm safe text zones. Apply position keyframes only when you need slight pans, otherwise lock transform to avoid jitter. Make sure both sources share the same color grade and exposure. This creates visual unity. Finally, group the two tracks so later edits apply to the pair without breaking sync. You finish by balancing audio, normalize dialogue, reduce background tracks to around -12 dB LUFS, and apply a limiter for peaks. Once levels are set, render a short test clip and inspect both audio and visual sync across devices. Choose a single export preset with your codec, bitrate, and 16:9 resolution so playback is predictable. If all looks good, export the full video. If you notice drift later, reopen the group timeline, check frame rate mismatches, and reconform using timecode.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.